Want your users to switch between sales, profit, and quantity in the same Tableau chart? Well, you're at the right place. Welcome to Syntax as Soul. And in this video, I'll show you a dynamic measure selector using parameters. So let's begin. First, I'm gonna create this parameter measure changer. I'm gonna put the data type as integer, and I'm gonna put the three values: sales, quantity, and profit here. After creating this parameter, what we're going to do is create the calculated field for this. I have already done it and I'll show you quickly. It's very simple case statement, just saying, okay, whenever my wager changer matches the value that I want to represent, then show me that value. And it's just that simple. Once you click OK and place it in the columns, and let's say put anything. Let's put product name into rows, add all members, and you're good to go. Let's show this parameter. And when you switch to quantity, it will show quantity, it will show profit. You can just go to labels and show mark labels. And you're good to go. That's how easy it is to create a dynamic measure. And if you want to create dimensions also to be dynamic, you just have to follow the same steps. Create a parameter first for dimensions, use the values that you want to display, then just go here and create a calculated field same way, and then just use this field instead of direct field. You come here, show this parameter, and when you switch it, this also works fine for you. So this is how easy it is to create dynamic measures and dynamic dimensions. So now with just one chart, user can analyze different metrics and dimensions dynamically. If this helped, subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.